Explore this backyard retreat where a stone path leads to two cozy Adirondack chairs. Vibrant flowers and a wooden fence frame the lush lawn, all bathed in warm, natural daylight. A modern entrance awaits, featuring sleek gray stone steps and a dark door. Neatly trimmed hedges and crisp white flowers frame the light exterior of this beautifully kept home. Relax on this wooden deck, featuring a white couch with bright pillows and a wicker chair. Purple flowers and a round coffee table complete this serene and leafy outdoor space. This sunny backyard features a wooden deck with a dining set, nestled among exotic banana trees and colorful blooms. It is a perfect spot to enjoy the clear blue sky and lawn. Step onto a beautiful wooden deck overlooking a lush lawn and stone path. Large glass doors bridge the gap between the modern patio and the vibrant, sun-drenched garden beds. A clean concrete staircase rises toward a white building, flanked by elegant planters of white flowers. Diverse green foliage and dense bushes create a fresh, daytime ambience. This modern two-story home features a dark exterior and large windows. A natural stone path, lined with lush greenery and white hydrangeas, creates a truly serene atmosphere. Wind through a lush garden on a stone path toward a white two-story home. Hydrangeas and green shrubs flourish under a soft, cloudy sky, offering a peaceful, inviting escape. An irregular stone walkway guides you past yellow clusters and ornamental grasses. A black chair sits nearby, offering a quiet spot to admire the manicured residential garden. This modern White House boasts a glass balcony and large windows. A concrete staircase, surrounded by lush shrubs and white blossoms, creates a very welcoming first impression. Follow the brick pathway toward an arched doorway in this peaceful setting. White hydrangeas and tall trees line the walk, all illuminated by soft, natural garden sunlight. Discover a tranquil Japanese garden where a stone path leads to a wooden structure. A stone lantern and bench sit among lush vines and greenery for a harmonious, natural feel. Round stones form a serene path through mossy rocks and ferns. A wooden bench invites you to rest against a clean white wall, making this garden an organized, peaceful retreat. A winding stone path leads to a charming white house with a gray roof and dark door. White hydrangeas and leafy trees frame this welcoming porch in the bright afternoon sun. A stone path cuts through green grass and yellow daffodils toward a blue house. Wooden chairs sit on the patio by the fence, creating a sunny and inviting backyard setting.